Friends, in today's video, we are going to show you some cool toys that you might not have seen before. These are quite different and brand new, so let's start this series. Before that, I request you to subscribe to the channel, and if you like the video, Number 8. Flynova Pro. Friends, in childhood, we all used to play catch-up, but over time, if you want to upgrade the game a bit, you can buy this method ball. Friends, actually, it is a method drone which is a ball that stays inside and it flies in the air when you throw it in the air. Fast guys, it will also come back to you at the speed you throw it, i.e., it moves in very slow motion, which makes you have a lot of fun with this small ball. Children will find it very interesting to play with it. You will get to see it in different colors. Gadget of the method. Number 7. Air Hogs Flight Rider. Friends, you can run the toy bikes that come on the ground, which will give you more fun, but you may not have seen flying bikes before. But friends, this is one-way RC toy which can be used to ride on the ground but also has rotor fans which can fly in the air. Yes, friends, this is such a toy bike. It can fly in the air as well as walk on the ground. If you want to enjoy this type of bike and also want to gift it to your children, flying bikes of this type will be amazing. Number 6. Jump Stunt Short RC. Friends, you have often seen children's remote-controlled cars as if they were playing, but most of the toys of this type also do the work of breaking things in the house, that is, if the car hits somewhere, something can break. So, if you want a car with kids to play with, no matter how they're using it, there's no damage in any way to your home, and even if the car falls around, no one is harmed in any way, then you can use it. Even if it gets bumped somewhere, there is no fear of breaking anything. Also, you can use it in any way. No gimmicks, which means if you want a car that can be used comfortably indoors with the help of a remote control, then this would be the perfect gadget for you. Number 5. Terrasect Rolling Lizard. Friends, if you want to give children a toy that is a little different at a glance, then this gadget is going to be very interesting. Although friends, it is a kind of fun, but friends in it, the app is given rolling features, that is, you can run it on a plain surface normally, but as soon as you press the remote button, it rolls like a wheel. It's great to have a cachet that you may not have had before, and kids love this way so much better that they can create different games and play it. If you have this gadget, you will also tell me how you like this gadget by commenting. Number 4. DJI Robomaster S1. Friends, if you want to give your children a gift that can develop their programming skills, you can use this kind of robot. Follows the rules and gives you all the parts in a separate way that you can design according to your own needs, with their wells made to hold them in place. It can rotate in 360 degrees, you will be able to use its separate attachments separately according to your own account. In this, you also get to see programming options from which you can program it according to your own account. So it's great that this kind of educational robot that follows the rules of physics so that you can prove concepts in different ways is a great option available because of this. Becomes a one-way educational robot. Number 3. HHD H6 Motorcycle Folding RC Drone. Friends, we are talking about the toy cycle, so there are many small toys that are in the shape of a bicycle that children can play with, but there may be a bicycle that you have not seen, which can also work as a drone. But friends, this is a kind of bicycle that looks like a simple bicycle for children to play with, but actually, it is a small drone that you can use it for photography. Yes, friends, open it and it will be done immediately, with the help of which you will be able to collect many photos, etc. You will get to see its controls on the mobile phone as if you were live. You can also stream what's being watched on its camera, which means that Kamal's features make it possible to use it as a mini security camera as well as watch you on the go. It also gets a small remote control that can be controlled from a basic form, making more advanced features available. Number 2. Power treads all surface vehicles. Friends, if you want to gift your children something that is very interesting to use, then this thing is going to be very interesting for you. So I don't understand, but somewhere it can be used in a good way to entertain kids, as well as you can play it on Spanish surf if you want, but somewhere it's on its tracks. It is very interesting to drive. Its speed will also be fine when it runs on its track. It looks very good and there is a different road map in it. By designing things and playing with it in a good way, children find this kind of things very interesting, so if you like this little toy gadget, don't forget to like it. Number 1. Flip-O-Flip Skill Toy. Guys, it often happens that if I have something on the table that looks too complex, we often start playing with it, although it's just human nature. Yes, you've probably failed it at some point or another, so if you want a similar time pass on your desk, you can use this little gadget that looks like a coin. When you flip it on the table, it will start spinning very fast. Also, you can dance it like a lotto, which will be a different fun. You can show a lot of up tricks with this little gadget. Let me know how you like this gadget. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.